Yes, my dear students. Today's topic is growth and development. What do you mean by growth and development? What's the difference between growth and development? So, to start with, generally, people consider growth and development as synonyms. But if we see from the psychological point of view, there is a broader difference in the meanings of these two terms. Starting with the meaning of growth, which mean physical changes. The changes that takes place in any part of the body, these are known as growth, like the increase in the height of the child, his mass, width, weight. These are the results of growth. The size of the child's hand and feet, that is increasing. He is growing in height. His weight is increasing. So all these statements reveals the meaning of growth. As the child grows in age, his physical structure and weight increases. This growth continues till the end of adolescence. Harlock in 1956 had said that changes in physical structure, dimensions and measurement take place as the child grows. So in simple words, changes in the physical structure, size and dimensions result from growth. When the child enters adolescence age, the size of his hands and legs grows. We call it growth of the size of the child's hand and legs. So physical growth is the mark of quantitative changes, which is perceivable and measurable. And after the attainment of maturation, the height, width, weight, etc., these stop increasing. As according to A.T. Jerslid, in the beginning, the pace of the child's growth is fast. It grows towards maturation. The pace of physical growth becomes slower. And after having attained maturity, the growth stops. Hence, it is clear that the changes that occur in the physical structure, size and dimensions, these are called growth. As a whole, we can say that growth results into increase in weight and size. Secondly, growth is quantitative. Next, growth is a general pattern and it is not different in different persons. Growth is the result of division in the fertilized egg. Growth is not continuous. It does not have the uniform pace. It experiences changes. It occurs till some specific period and after that it stops. It occurs internally. We can say that women have faster growth rate than men. Growth occurs due to interaction of heredity and environment. It is faster during infancy period, but it slows down later on. The physical and mental growth have deep relationships. When height increases, weight decreases. And moreover, health and food affect the mental growth. So we can say that it is easier to see physical growth rather than the mental growth. The meaning of development is more comprehensive, more wider than the growth. Development includes growth. It indicates qualitative changes. The overall changes that come about in the child are called development. It is not confined to physical growth. Growth is only a part of development. It marks the advent of qualitative changes in the child. In fact, the term development is used for all types of changes, which makes a person's working efficiency, working skill, his behavior, etc. progressive. So we can say the meaning of development is more comprehensive than the growth. Moreover, the changes caused by the process of development are qualitative in nature and cannot be measured. They can, however, be assessed through keen observation or experience. The process of development, unlike the process of growth, it does not stop on attaining maturation. It continues throughout the life. It is progressive and unceasing process. It takes place in an orderly manner. It has certain stages through which all the children pass. The child's physical, his intellectual, social, emotional, moral, sexual, lingual development, etc., belong to the developmental process. In this way, the development has a wider implication than the growth. So, growth is a part of development. This means that development is the overall changes that come about in the child. In a nutshell, we can say development has a definite pattern. It occurs from general to specific. It does not stop, it is continuous. It represents all types of changes. It has more comprehensive meaning. Furthermore, the process of growth and development, these go side by side. Development is the symbol of qualitative changes.
Like, subscribe, and share.